Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your account for Venue. So let's get started. First of all, open the Venue application from your app drawer. Once you end up in the main homepage, tap on Profile at the bottom right hand corner. On the next page, tap the gear button at the top right, and this will open up the settings menu. Tap on Delete Account from the options, and in the pop-up, confirm by tapping on Delete again. Remember that once you delete your account, the process cannot be undone and you will not be able to recover all the information and activity related to your account. After tapping on Delete in the pop-up, you will then be able to delete your account for Venue. So that's how you can easily delete your Venue account using the Venue mobile application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.